Hey guys, it's Ron from MyHeroDesign.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Dust Cloud Ninja animation. Let me show you the scene that we're going to recreate right now. Okay, so you can see the purpose of this animation is for the ninja to replace one image with another. So it's kind of a before and after. It can be a transformation. It can just be for effect. Whatever you need it to do, you just need your before and after images and you should be fine. So again, like an example would be turning a sad person into a happy person, turning a failing business into a successful business, or turning a present into a birthday cake, as in this example. Alright, so there's a lot of versatility here, and we even can add our entrance and exit animations there. So, I'm going to create a new scene so that we can build this from scratch. We're going to go and add in an animation slide, add flash animation, and we're going to add our Ninja Dust Cloud SWF file. Don't sketch, add. Okay? And you always want to hold down the shift button when you resize, and you can also use your scroll button to make the canvas a little smaller so that you have more room to work with. What you want to do is you want to make the image large enough so that the ninja starts just off of the canvas and then ends up doing his thing right around the middle. So we can test this now. Let's close canvas, and you'll see he stops right around the middle, does his thing, and then moves off to the side here to show the result of his magic trick or whatever he's doing here. So I'm going to just move him up maybe just a little bit. So I'm going to open the canvas and I can just bring him up like that just a little bit. Okay? Now to add the before and after images, we're going to go to Slide, Customize this animation, and you'll see that under the Image tab, we have Image Area 1 and 2. So I'm just going to browse to find my gift box image, and I'm going to add that in. For Image Area 2, this is the after image. I'm going to browse, and I'm going to find my cake image. Okay? You can also resize them as needed, and you can move them around. So you don't want to, go too crazy with this, but obviously it needs to be in the right place. So if your image is some sort of an odd image that needs to be moved maybe further up, or it has to be a little smaller, or for whatever reason, you can obviously do that with the controls within Explaindio. Right now I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm going to preview the scene. Okay, so we've got everything in place. If we add a background, I'm going to go to Scene, Gallery. I'm going to add in one of our animated backgrounds, the tropical island. Add image. You'll see that when you preview it, the picture of the box kind of appears a little later. So that's because the ninja animation is starting a little later than the scene, just by a frame or two, but still, if you don't want that, there's a bunch of things that we can do. We can just go to the action before, and we can select a fade in, for example, and we can change that action duration. Okay, so let's check that out. So now the image fades in and the ninja comes in and does his thing. So that's one very effective option. The other one is the fly in. Okay, so the image will fly in and then the ninja will transform it into a cake. And you can have that fly in take place up or down. You can't do it right to left because then you'll give away the ninja. but you can definitely do left to right. Okay, and this is like he's almost chasing it. There it is. Now he comes, transforms it, and we have a cake. A similar thing can be done to add an exit animation to this. So if we want to get rid of the ninja and the picture, we can do another fly out, that to the right, and do an action duration of maybe 2 seconds. Remember that 1 second is 24 frames, so 2 seconds is 48 frames. So you can see now, after this animation, all of this is going to exit to the right. Alright, so if we watch that scene now, we have a nice entrance animation and we have an exit animation. That's a very powerful and effective scene. So that covers how to use this animation. If you have any questions, please email us at support@myherodesign.com. Thank you very much.